Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. There is a sale going on at the online store here for interface boards. I'll post that link down below. The sale's on the Bridgecom interface board, the TYT/RT9000 interface board, the Retevis RT97S, or the Midland MXR interface board. So come to the site here, check out the sale. All the information's on the particular product, you can go read about it and get whatever information that you may need. Also, I'd like to mention too, now I've done videos here in the past about new product ideas, and I've been putting them on the store here to see if people are interested in them. And it shows when you sign up to get email, or when you sign up to get notified through email that you're wanting a particular product, that lets me know how many people are interested in it. Now, so please only sign up if you're really going to purchase this particular item, because what I'm finding out is that I'll get X amount of people that sign up and only about half of them actually purchases it. So I'm going to, that makes it a little trickier for me because obviously if I don't have the minimum requirements of people, I cannot go forward with that particular project idea to have it be available for you guys to get one. Now, that brings me to the next point. I'm also going to post a link in the description below that on my forum, I do have a category that tells you what products, projects, etc. are no longer going to come to light, so to speak, due to there was not enough interest in that particular idea. So make sure you check that out. That will get updated here over time. I try to update it right away. I also, too, if you are wondering, and I don't know if I mentioned this in other videos or not, but if I make a video, let's say Project X, we'll just give an example here, and I make a video showing, hey, I have an idea, it does this and this and this, and a month or so goes by, it ends up being that not enough people are interested in this Project X. What I'll do is I go back to that video that I originally made a month ago, and I'll pin a comment saying that this is not available. So any particular ones, videos that you're or projects that you're wondering about, go back and check the videos. Or if I don't forget, I try to update this page that you see in front of you. So, but if you're not for sure, check both, or shoot me an email and I can tell you what's going on. So that's another way you can do it too. But yeah, like I said, I have a sale here going on some of these interface boards. Come check it out. If there's any other questions, feel free to email me, post any comments down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.